I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are. I'm wishing on a dream to follow what it means.
DJ Cool.
I'm wishing on a star.
Hang on, I gotta set this up so I can get Ross in the frame. Hey Ross. Hey Ross, I want to ask y'all, how was the experience today? Kent, wait, here. Yeah. No, hey. I already warned you. I said it earlier. I said, hey, I'm recording. There y'all go. I just want to know. I mean, Ken, you ain't do too bad. It's a mic. Look, you laugh. It's a mic, man. I'll put it right here. You put it wherever you want to talk. But anyway, I'm going to get this other mic to Ross.
Hey, you can get some oysters. They sell oysters. They ain't making too dark this time.
He won't be in the distance because he lost today.
I lost by one, guys.
Everybody lost today except for me. I'm putting it on YouTube. This is the Golf TV, man. We be talking about how we did. Yeah. It's called Supa Ragz TV.
I messed up with the last hole. If I done got that last hole,
Janice, he lost. He don't want you to know he lost. He lost like a mug.
Oh, where you see oysters at?
I skinned him real good. Janice, don't even worry about it. He gonna remember this for a while.
Oh, I see.
But anyway, man, just wanted to let y'all know I was hunting for birdie. I got birdie, so we eating again. And Ross paying for my drink, man.
I can't wait till you come on.